Hey guys, welcome back to Sam and Allie's channel. Today we're going to be showing you my slime stuff. Yeah, I'm obsessed with slime. And I have lots of slime. But right now I only have I have more slimes. But I have 3 slimes right now from when I went to Midland. To make slime at Christmas time. So I'm just going to be showing you that stuff. Okay, Sam, stop it and do the video.
So we got this.
It's fake snow.
Yeah, it's fake snow. You just put it in the slime. It just makes it more softer to do how to make
No, it
slime.
makes cloud slime.
It makes cloud slime.
Then we have, we're going to take turns, okay? Show it. Okay, so we have foam beads, colored foam beads that I put in the slime to make it crunchy. Foam slime.
And then we have shaving cream if you wanted to make it fluffy slime. And it does it cool and it looks cool if you feel it. It feels cool if you feel it.
This is huge over. So they can see. Ouchie! Okay, stop. Let me do this real quick. Okay, there we go. So, there's this, and it is liquid starch that we put in there to activate the slime. And we also use contact solution, but this works better because it makes it faster.
Okay.
Show them the glitter now.
Okay, and then we have blue glitter. It's like a beautiful blue glitter.
Yeah, it's
bluish
it's
green.
small.
Yeah, it's a little small, What is it? It looks green, and on the video it looks blue.
Yeah, it looks green. It's supposed to be teal, but it's supposed to be teal, but on there.
Yeah, because it's just a camera.
Okay, then we have pink. I love pink. It looks so pretty in real life, but on here it doesn't. Doesn't look like the real pink. If you could see this, you would know what it looks like. But you can't. Okay, Sam, please back out. I'm trying to show them this. So this is other glitter, but it's pink. And yeah, this is my favorite color if you don't know that.
Okay.
Which you should.
Should show them the slime yet?
Not yet, that's at the end.
Last.
Show them. No, show them the glue.
Okay. Wait.
Don't.
Show them the bead. Okay, and then we have...
No, the glue. Okay, you can just show them that.
And then we got the food coloring.
The dye.
Wait, let's open this up.
No, don't.
Why?
Because we put it in the bag because it was leaking. The lids weren't tight. No, I'm showing them the glue. You just showed them that. No. Not yet. Then we have skull glue, which is very good. It makes the slime turn. No, it doesn't make the slime turn into slime. But it is. Like, this is basically the slime. No. But it's. Yeah, it is. It's slime before it's made. I don't know. But if you don't get it, comment down below. Okay, now the slime. I made this cloud slime. I'm not going to open it. Do not open it, Sam. It is messy. This is carpet. Look, it's carpet. Okay, so right here. Okay, so here. Oh, yeah, we have my unicorn stuff up there. Okay, look, Sam. Stop it. Okay, this is cloud slime, purple cloud slime. It's very, very good, but so sticky. And show them that.
And this is Fluffy Cloudy slime.
No, it's not
Fluffy!
Yeah, it's fluffy slime with a single bead in there and just a sprinkle of glitter. Let me move them off. Okay, there we go. Okay, now then, yeah. The other one is just the same color as the pink one, except it's also cloud slime. But it looks the same. So, yeah, guys. that is all my slime stuff. Comment down below if you want to see more slime videos. Are you okay? And make sure to click the subscribe button if you haven't already. And click the notification bell to get notified every time we post a new video. Or just come there like every single day and see me upload a new video. So, bye!